Hey guys, welcome back to the Lamley Garden. I'm Gracie, and today we talking seeds. All right, so if you saw my last video, you saw Layla and I planted some seeds, but Layla took over the video, y'all, and she was talking too much, and I couldn't really talk to you guys like I wanted to, so I kind of sped past that part. So I wanted to come back and do a little bit slower of a video to talk about actually what we planted and things that we're planning on planting. Now, all of my seeds that I have right now are old seeds. I just placed an order for some seeds a couple days ago, but mostly everything I've already had. And like I said, I want to grow the things that have been successful and the things that I really like and my family wants to eat. So I have this container here that I just got from Michael's. It's nice because it's like a little carrying case. And then inside, I think it's usually for photos. Yeah, it says photo and craft keeper. The inside, it has smaller things. So like this one says onions, even though it's not onions in here. Anyway, but yeah, so this is how I separate my varieties of all my different things. So this one's tomatoes, this one's flowers, and so on and so forth. So the other day when we were planting our seeds, I started with my brassicas because of course in Maryland, you want to get those started now so that you can get a harvest in the spring. So I started with some cabbage. Then I got this cabbage. It's like a giant, see if I can, stop looking at me, there we go. It's the giant cabbage. Now, I tried to grow this last year, but it was way too late into the season. So I'm trying it again. I did like 4 of these. Actually, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I did 3 because I think it's like 6 squares. So I think I did 3 of that. And I did the Jersey Wakefield. Early Jersey Wakefield. I grew this last year. It grew pretty good. And I'm hoping to have success with that one again. I started broccoli. I did 2 rows of broccoli, so that's 12 broccoli heads. And my plan is probably in like 2 or 3 weeks, start some more broccoli so that I can kind of succession plant it. My broccoli, oddly enough, was able to be grown well into like July. I think around July is when I harvested the last little bit of my broccoli, and I actually left the stalks in the soil. And when it became cooler again, I started seeing more sprouts on the side. So yes, we love broccoli, and this fresh broccoli is so good. I also do a broccolini, but I didn't have any seeds from that. But I love broccolini, so I probably will get some transplants of broccolini. I planted this cauliflower, purple of Sicily. I didn't even try to grow this one last year, but because it was too late, but we're going to grow this one this year. So I'm excited just because it's purple and I think it's going to look cool. We did some lettuce. I did some black Simpson seeded lettuce. And I did some Tom Thumb. The crazy thing is that lettuce, you get all your lettuce, or for me, I grow my lettuce in the spring and I can't grow it during the summer, and that's when I get all my tomatoes and cucumbers. So it's like I don't have the lettuce that I want. So I'm going to try to grow my lettuce in pots so that I can move them to like under my deck or something when it's really, really hot outside. And I'm going to use shade cloth and hoping that I can have lettuce all season. Okay. Another thing that we started were my collard greens. Y'all, I love collards. On my first video of the season, you guys saw like I still have some collard greens out in the garden, even though they look not the best. I don't plan on eating them. I was just trying to see if they would actually grow through the winter, which they did. So I did some collards. I also did some peppers. Now, all of the peppers that I am growing are from seeds that I kept last year. So Jimmy Nardello by far was my favorite pepper. It grew very prolific and they taste really, really good. So I have a ton of Jimmy Nardello seeds. So hopefully, if these seeds germinate, I'll give away some on the channel. But I wanted to make sure that they would germinate first before I sent you out some duds. Okay? So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Yeah, I have so many Jimmy Nardello seeds. Like all of these are Jimmy Nardello seeds and they have a lot of seeds in them. That's another way that I'm trying to cut costs with the garden, by saving stuff that I used that I grew last year and reusing it. I did start some sweet peppers, California Wonder sweet peppers. I do like these. I just don't like how long it takes, and I don't like that I don't get that many peppers. That's kind of annoying to me. Yep. I think that might be all that I started right now. I do plan on going back and starting some onion seeds. I have some garlic that I want to get planted. I'm actually going to take that outside and plant in my some of my container my fabric pots. We're redoing the garden and I can't plant stuff in my raised beds because we have to move things around. So anything that I plant would just get dug up and it would be a loss. So I do plan on starting some garlic and some carrots out in my fabric fabric bags, just so that I can have them. Y'all saw that big fat carrot that I grew. And for some reason, like lately, y'all, I have been really, really enjoying carrots, like eating them with some ranch dressing, and it's been good. So I'm going to keep that up. I'm going to keep up the carrots. But I have like a variety that it's like colorful. I think it's called like kaleidoscope. So it's like a bunch of different colors of carrots. I don't know what I would have put carrots in here as. Yeah, I don't have the packet in front of me, but I will show you guys when I go out and plant it. So yeah, that's what I got started the other day with Layla Bug. Y'all, I'm just so excited to be getting my hands dirty again. Like I'm ready. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you have gotten some seeds started, and if you have, what do you see starting? All right, thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, all you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.